Hello everyone and welcome to this weekly technical outlook here at xm.com. So this week we are going to have focus in the US retail sales, the UK CPI and the China's GDP growth. So starting from the US, the primary emphasis in the country will be on retail sales. Retail sales experienced an 0.3% month-on-month growth in November. The December report scheduled for release on Wednesday is expected to demonstrate a similar increase rate for the month. So having a look at the euro and dollar, we can see that the price remains beneath the 1.10 psychological mark and also beneath the 20-day SMA around 1.0970 before moving towards this medium-term ascending trend line. So if the market overcomes the 1.10 round number, it will increase the speculation for more increases until the 1.1150 ahead of the 17-month high of 1.1275. On the flip side now, a drop beneath the 50-day SMA, it may challenge the 1.0875 ahead of the 200-day SMA near the 1.0840 barrier and the 1.0825. And if there's a penetration of these lines here, it may change the outlook to negative. Looking now at the technical oscillators, the RSI is pointing slightly up. However, the MACD is still holding beneath its trigger line in the positive region. Moving forward now, the CPI in the UK experienced a decline in November, reaching a year-on-year rate of 3.9%. In December, it is anticipated that the CPI would have had a marginal decline, reaching a year-on-year rate of 3.8%. So GBPUSD is currently holding above this short-term uptrend line here and also above the 3-day SMA, but it is trading beneath the 5-month high of 1.2825. So a move above this line, it would endorse the bullish scenario, meeting the 1.30 psychological mark. Now, if the price penetrates these lines here and the 1.2610 support, it may challenge the 50-day SMA near 1.2586 ahead of the 200-day SMA at 1.2540 and also the 1.2495. But the price, it is still holding above this medium-term uptrend line, so the bullish scenario is still in place. The MACD oscillator is holding beneath its trigger line and is losing some momentum after the top here of December of 2023, and also the RSI is ticking slightly lower above the 50 level. So both are suggesting that we may see some losses in the pair before the price continues to the upside. Now, coming to an end of this video, we're going to have a look at China's GDP. It's anticipated that the growth of the GDP will have increased in the final quarter of 2023, reaching a year-on-year pace of 5.3%. This follows a deceleration to 4.9% in the preceding quarter. And if the quarter 4 results surpasses a year-on-year growth rate of 5%, it will ensure that the government meets its annual growth target of about 5%. So currently, Aussie dollar is moving lower after the pullback from 0.6870 and it's approaching this support level here of 0.6645 that it failed several times in the past to have a closing day beneath it. So when move below it, it will move towards this ascending trend line around 0.6612 ahead of the 200-day SMA of 0.6575 and the Ichimoku cloud around the 0.6520 support. On the flip side now, any movements above the 20-day SMA, which is currently moving near the 0.6740, it will move towards the 0.6870 and 0.6895 restrictive region. And any movements above these lines here, it will endorse the bullish movement towards the 0.7030. Now the RSI is moving beneath the neutral threshold of 50 and the MACD is losing also momentum beneath its trigger line and near the zero level. So both are confirming this descending wave on price. So that's all from me. Thank you for watching and have a great day.